In this video, we will explore why prompts matter, how to write better ones, and how small changes can lead to much better results. Writing effective prompts is key to getting useful, accurate answers from AI. When your prompt is clear and specific, the AI understands exactly what you're asking for, saving you time and frustration. Good prompts mean fewer rewrites, more helpful responses, and results that actually match what you had in mind, whether you're writing an email, studying for a test, planning a trip, or creating content. Simply put, better prompts lead to better AI results. Let's go through the steps for creating an effective prompt. Step 1. Be clear and specific. The more detail you provide, the better the AI's response will be. Start by knowing what you want to achieve, then clearly explain it in your prompt. Avoid vague or overly broad instructions, as those usually lead to generic or unfocused answers. For example, if you want AI to help you write something, a prompt like, "Write a description," is too vague. A clearer version might be, "Write a short description for an eco-friendly water bottle, focusing on its reusable materials and modern design." This gives the AI clear direction on what to include and what matters most. Step 2. Provide context and constraints. That means adding background information or rules, like word limits, format, or specific requirements. These details help shape the response so it fits exactly what you need. For example, instead of saying, "Write a social media post," you could say, "Write a 100-word Instagram caption about eco-friendly water bottles that encourages people to reduce plastic waste." Step 3. Specify the tone. Think about who you're talking to and how you want the message to feel. Do you want it to be professional, friendly, fun, or casual? The tone you ask for directly affects how the response sounds. For example, you might ask for a professional LinkedIn post announcing a new sustainability initiative. Or you could request a fun, upbeat Instagram post about eco-friendly water bottles. You can even ask the AI to rewrite something in a different tone until it feels right. Step 4. Test your prompt and refine it. If the first response isn't quite what you wanted, tweak your wording, add more details, or clarify your goal. Prompt writing is an ongoing process, and small changes can make a big difference. Let's look at some examples of effective and ineffective prompts. Here's a common goal: learning about the benefits of solar-powered lights. If you say, "Tell me about solar power," that's too broad and can lead to very general information. A better prompt would be, "Describe 3 benefits of using solar-powered outdoor lights compared to traditional electric lights." This version is specific and guides the AI toward a helpful answer. Now let's look at another goal: writing an email for a real-life situation. If you say, "Write an email for me," it's too vague and doesn't give the AI enough direction. A more effective prompt would be, "Write a polite, friendly email to my landlord asking about a maintenance issue in my apartment and requesting an update on when it will be fixed." Now the AI understands who the email is for, what the situation is, and the tone you want, so the response is actually useful. You can also optimize prompts based on different use cases. For writing and content creation, focus on clarity and context. Mention the topic, who it's for, and the tone you want. That helps the AI create content that fits your needs. For help or problem solving, include the situation and the outcome you're looking for. For example, you might say, "Suggest a solution for someone who received a damaged product and wants a refund." For summaries or analysis, be specific about what you want and how you want it presented. You could say, "Summarize the key points from this article in 5 bullet points using simple language." Experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to adjust your prompts and try again. Often, just adding one extra sentence or detail can dramatically improve the result. Learning how to write effective prompts helps you get the most out of AI, whether you're using it for school, work, creativity, or everyday tasks. Clear, specific prompts lead to more accurate and useful responses. Keep practicing and refining your prompts based on what you need. The more you experiment, the better you'll get. and the more powerful AI becomes as a tool for you. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.